We have a crazy $500 billion AI infrastructure investment. Oracle, we must own it right now because of this headline. Microsoft is already part of your portfolio without, I'm like always reminding you guys, this like 10 stocks command 50% of the entire market performance. And then SoftBank is the chief brainchild behind NVIDIA, but that guy chickened out, sold off everything on NVIDIA. Now he's so deeply regretted it, he's coming back with vengeance, all right? I'm talking about Masayoshi Son. And this is the project known as the Stargate. And you got no way you can skip around this. We have to own Oracle, we have to own Microsoft, and then this crazy guy, Masayoshi Son, started from 100 billion, and Donald Trump hustled him, increased to 200 billion. 1 month later, he came back with 500 billion, and Donald Trump is still hustling him to get more money. And this is how the Japanese work. 1 month ago, he flew up to meet with Donald Trump and openly announced that he will commit SoftBank 100 billion into the US market. And in the live conference, Donald Trump hustled him. He said, you got to double up, 200 billion. And very unwillingly, Masayoshi Son accepted, okay, I work towards 200 billion. The next thing, he flew back to Japan. That's where all the rich guys are. Say, hey, I need more money. How many of you willing to support me? He raised 500 billion right now. Hi. You have completed watching snippets of our cozy live trading videos. These videos are taught during a live trading class whereby we invest directly into the market. Right now, I'm going to personally invite you to join our upcoming Spiking Wealth Masterclass. This is a flagship 4-day program, absolutely free for you, and you will learn exactly how to define your starting line as well as your finishing line, and what it takes for you to cross the finishing line to achieve your financial freedom. I'm really excited to join you in this class together. And all you need to do right now, go right below there and sign up and complete the pre-class checklist. I shall see you in the class. Thank you and God bless you. Goodbye.